For the best deals on tires and rims, go to tiresourcecanada.ca. And don't forget to use their promo code HOC5 for a 5% discount on all the online orders. The link is in the description below. Hi guys, and welcome to another EV6 video. If you're already a subscriber, thank you and welcome back. But if you're new, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you know when the next video drops. I've had my EV6 for a little over 22 months now and have run into a second issue that required replacement of parts. And this is what the issue is. On the EV6 GT line package 2 in Canada, as long as you have the key fob in your pocket, you should be able to lightly tap the door handle and it unlocks, and then lightly tap and it locks. This mechanism has stopped working on the driver's side, which means that the sensor is not working. As you can see, nothing is happening. They've already taken a look at it and I'm here to get it replaced. The door handle was replaced, and as you can see, we are on the driver's side now, and I'm going to lightly tap on the handle and it will lock and unlock. I hope you found the video useful, and if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, comment, share, and thank you for watching.